Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Man, am I excited to finally be doing this. My name's Raul. I'm originally from South Africa. Been in New Zealand about 20 years now, and been very blessed here in the last decade or so to really be able to travel quite extensively. We're very fortunate here in New Zealand, just 3 hours north of New Zealand. You've got the beautiful Pacific Islands, and we've been lucky enough to travel to Vanuatu and meet the friendly people over there. Go to Samoa, Tonga, Rarotonga, and Aitutaki. Kite surfing in Aitutaki has been nothing short of spectacular. So we've been very blessed with travel here. Also been able to go back home to South Africa in 2016. Did a trip to Hawaii last year, Australia this year. So very blessed with travel, and that love of travel has sort of culminated in a second passion of mine, which is making these travel videos. If you click on the link down below to the you can see some of the videos that I've made on Vimeo. I have put some of them on YouTube. I probably should load more on, but for some reason I've had a Vimeo account for some time now. So yeah, that love for travel has sort of culminated in a very strong interest in videography, and that is ultimately what this channel is about. It's sort of a commitment by me to continue putting effort and attention into the things that I enjoy: travel and making videos. You know, we sometimes get captured by life and making a living and all these other things, and the things that bring us joy tend to take a back seat. So I'm going to make a conscious effort with this channel to be uploading content on a regular basis, just to keep me accountable, keep me engaged, keep me traveling, keep me looking for other places of interest to visit, and pushing my skills in terms of making better travel videos. I've also started a blog called Aperture to Zoom, A to Z, and as the name suggests, it's going to be unpacking all the technical aspects. Some things need to be unpacked quite in more detail than just on YouTube, and that's what the blogs are sort of about. You know, it's going to be supporting the YouTube channel and vice versa. So look, I really encourage you to please, if you're at a similar place and you maybe want to start making videos for whatever reason, or you want to travel more, or you want to travel and make videos, you're not sure where to start or what to do, trust me, even though I've made quite a few videos, I still consider myself very much a beginner in the videography space, you know. But it's about identifying what it is we have an interest in, and then through continuous attention we can maybe turn that interest into a passion, you know. So I'm tired of talking about it and umming and ahhing about it. This is finally me making a commitment and saying, you know what, I'm going to do this thing. So call to action to you, please. If that resonates with you, please consider hitting the subscribe button, like this video, share it with somebody that you think, you know, maybe they at a similar place, they want to start their journey. The journey of 1,000 miles starts with a single step, or in this case a single video. And then jump onto the website too, have a snoop around there, and subscribe to the newsletter, and join me on this journey so that we can learn our skills and improve our skills together. And I want that to be sort of the focus too. It's about having fun, you know. It's about enjoying what we're doing, the fun of planning these trips and the fun of shooting the footage, you know, and coming up with the best ideas for that particular location. Do you use the drone or not? Where do we put the time lapse? Things like that, so that when we weave together the story at the end of the day or at the end of the vacation, it really does tell a story about our trip and what we've experienced. So I certainly hope that you get the spirit of what it is I'm trying to achieve here, and that you would, more importantly, follow along with this journey. Thank you very much for finding this video and watching it. And like I said, I really hope to interact in some way, shape or form, either through the comments or through the newsletter or through whatever the case may be. But like I said, the objective here is we're going to have fun and we're going to learn at the same time. So I'm going to end it there. I want to keep these videos short and sharp, and look forward to catching up with you, and we will see you in the next video. Over and out. Thank you very much. Bye bye.